Are you tired of looking in the mirror and seeing a puffy face staring back at you? You're not alone. Puffy faces, including bags under the eyes and puffy eyelids, are a common problem for many people. But did you know that instead of trying to fix the problem with expensive cosmetic creams, the key to solving this problem lies within what you put inside your body? Most people unconsciously consume too many carbohydrates, which can be a problem for those with a weakness for carbs. When we consume excess bread, pasta, or pizza, our bodies retain water, causing extra bloat in areas such as the face and stomach. Bags under the eyes are also a big giveaway. Overdoing it on carbs and salty foods can cause your body to hold in extra fluid, making you look and feel bloated. Most changes in the face are from water retention. Unless there is an underlying medical condition to blame, what is really behind edema and eye puffiness is a high carbohydrate diet. So, instead of blaming aging for the puffiness you experience, look to your food intake and lifestyle changes. Try to balance your diet with fruits and vegetables instead of just carbohydrates. Also, avoid eating too much at night, especially foods like ramen, sushi, processed meats, cheese, chips, pretzels, French fries, and alcoholic beverages. While you're working on the inside, it may take a few weeks for your body to adjust and for you to start seeing changes on the outside. But don't worry. There are tips you can use to help fix the problem from the outside. Firstly, try jade rolling. This technique has been shown to reduce swelling on the face by boosting circulation and assisting with lymphatic drainage, helping your skin look brighter and more energized. Additionally, incorporating some facial exercises into your beauty routine, also known as face yoga, may help strengthen the muscles under your skin, helping your face to look leaner and toned, rather than puffy. Regular exercise is another crucial factor in reducing puffiness. Exercise increases your blood circulation, helping to rejuvenate your skin and keep you healthy. Especially cardiovascular exercise will keep your bloating down and reduce your overall sluggish look. Washing your face with cold water can constrict blood vessels and help the swelling go down. By implementing these tips, you'll be able to combat your puffy face and have a refreshed, youthful look in no time. There are other simple steps you can take to help reduce and even avoid facial swelling altogether. One of the most important things you can do is stay hydrated throughout the day by drinking plenty of water. This helps to maintain a healthy balance of salt and water in your body, which can help to prevent fluid retention and facial bloating. Additionally, you may want to limit your intake of salty foods, as sodium can also cause your body to retain excess fluid. Another helpful tip is to keep your head elevated while sleeping, either by using 2 pillows or an adjustable bed. This can help prevent fluid buildup in your facial tissues. Finally, if allergies are contributing to your morning puffiness, taking an antihistamine can help to alleviate your symptoms and reduce facial swelling. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you enjoyed our video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more health tips and valuable insights. Remember, taking care of your health is crucial, so be sure to stay safe and healthy until we meet again. Thanks for tuning in. Please keep in mind that the content provided is intended for informational purposes only, and should not be considered a substitute for medical advice or diagnosis. While an imbalanced diet and certain lifestyle choices can contribute to a puffy face, it's important to note that there may be other underlying causes that require medical attention. If you are experiencing persistent facial swelling or other concerning symptoms, we strongly recommend seeking medical advice from a qualified healthcare professional. Thank you once again, and see you next time.